sorry about that. I'm on to the last bar now on the new subframe of the CNC. Just connecting it while I'm in here. So that's the dust extraction all connected. So what I've done, just a little recap, is gone down 500mm from the collet because my last depth was 80mm, so it really restricted the CNC to maximum capacity of 80mm, which means that I had to go to the sawmills and ask for everything to be cut at 80mm, and sometimes, yeah, sometimes they came back about 100mm because not every piece of timber, lumber, tree grows the same. So now I've got this awesome depth that I can raise up as and when I wish. I'm probably going to make myself a bed on a jack system that goes up and down from this sort of base. I've just literally got the last bar to fit, so I'm going to do that now. You can watch me do that. Basically start it off. As so. Same to the side. Get the last bar. Not like that big spider. Clips on till the end. Obviously it's crucial to keep it all flush and square when you're clamping up. Do this side. And there we are. Just quick tighten around at the tops. Oh, if you're getting old like me, get yourself one of these kneeling pads. cross members are in. I'm just going to give everything a little blow down. Pop that off so it doesn't bother us again. So now I've done all of that, it's now down to the last things setting up really is to see how level it is across the base. It's pretty good, to be fair. I mean, I want to shift it to you guys a bit more this way, as in that way. So I've got far too much room down this end. And my cables are sort of in mid-air a bit. But apart from that, I'm very happy with my theory and design of that. So I suppose the next thing really, guys, is testing out the depth and yeah, coming up with a system that I can adjust to any depth of timber. I mean, the ideal thing about this is when you've got a massive slab now, I can slide it in from the end and I'm not lifting it over the runners. The gearing, it's not going to affect the wheels, it's not going to affect the bar, it's not going to affect any of this. Before I used to have to lift it on top, where now I can literally just, with a trolley, come right in the end of the workshop, slide my slab straight on. So that's the theory of the 500 depth, and then you can just jack it up to where you need to, and then run the CNC up and down, flattening both sides. So really happy with that. I'll do a few more adjustments, not going to bore you with that, and then I'll do a video of it running. Thanks for watching. Remember, the slower you go, the faster you go. That's only taken me 2 hours. Happy days. So that noise you heard then was obviously because this is all mumble jumble. So it's always crucial to do your test runs make sure it passes all your test sheets and your checks before you go for it. And that's just literally just, you need to get some plastic contact spray, lubrication stuff for this. Oops, it's got a little bit old in its old age, but apart from that, I'll give that a lube up. That'll be alright. I think we can say that that is the CNC installed with the new base. So yeah, I'm well happy with that. I'm now going to decipher what base I'm going to use. It's going to be something I can just slide out and slide back in, and yeah, as long as I secure it and clamp it with G-clamps and stuff and screw it, it's fantastic for all the detailed works. Yeah, that was my plan. So I've got all this depth now, which is just fantastic. Brilliant. Really, really good effort, that is. Get better close up, guys, so you can see. But yeah, now the CNC depth from cutter. It's perfect, look at that. Oh, it's like looking at roofs. Well pleased with that. Yeah, couldn't get more. Can't really see it on the camera, it doesn't really do it any justice, but that is as flat as you can get, which is what you want when you're doing CNCing. There we are, guys. I'm going to go and grab myself a coffee. I think I deserve one after that. And then I'm going to have a play one day this week with some heights and stuff, and then yeah, I can basically carry on from where I left off. So before I had my really bad hospital stint and I was off work for a long time, the last time I made something on my CNC, I just loaded up the program then, was the 9th of May 2023. So I haven't used it at all for a year. So that just proves I wasn't very well. But now, hopefully, I'm on a better road to recovery, having the diagnosis with the lung disease, medication all sorted, hopefully. I can beat this lung disease down so I can carry on doing what I love the most, which is entertaining you guys. No, it's carpentry and joinery, I love it. Some old boy told me once, if you love your job, you will never work a day in your life. And that is so true. So remember, guys, don't forget to share, like, subscribe to all the medias. We're out there. And remember, the slower you go, the faster you go. Thanks for watching, guys.